Hi, howdy. We're going to draw a computer today. Let's begin. This is the desktop monitor, which is in front of the viewer. Let's connect it like this. We can put a double layer border here. Also put it like this. There's some buttons at the bottom. It's on a base here. Let's draw another straight line like this, and another one here like this, and we connect. This is going to be the keyboard of the drawing. Let's draw these lines first. Put it like this. Going radially outwards. We need to put a cable connection for the keyboard. Another connection for the mouse. We see the icons in the monitor, few folders. This is almost the drawing. Let's put little shade around the border of the monitor. And we can put a light shade inside. All right, little darker shade at the bottom. Also, let's put shades here. And light shade here. Let's connect these lines. We can put little shade on the mouse here. People usually use the mouse pad for navigating it. Alright, so this is the drawing of a computer. Please like, share, and subscribe for more updates. Thank you so much. Have a good day.